Well, I'm honored to interview my colleague, my partner in the TAC movement, Miss Carol Guest Esquire, who serves as Vice Chair of TAC. Carol, how are you doing?
I'm doing great today, Matt.
Yeah. First, you represent the city of Houston. I'm in Dallas, and so I want to make it known that Dallas and Houston people can work together for
Oh,
the betterment of black
absolutely,
business.
absolutely, absolutely. There's no question.
Before we get started about TAC, tell us a little bit about yourself and your business.
Okay, well, I'm a native Houstonian. I'm an attorney, and I serve as general counsel for our family business, which is a commercial real estate business called the Guest Group. I'm excited to say that my father was the first black director of real estate for the city of Houston,
Bam.
and then he opened the Guest Group. I also am a probate lawyer, and I've also served as an attorney in the entertainment business in the past. So that's my business.
Good deal. So one, I heard a lot of things. One, family legacy. Kudos to the guest group, um, who's making impacts not only in Houston but in the surrounding areas. But also just learning that you have a skill set and you're reinvesting into black people. How are you able to do that in TAC as well?
Well, I serve as legal counsel for TAC, which
You
means
sure do.
I look out to make sure that we are in compliance with state regulations and so forth, making sure we can protect our members through the organization. Um, but I also, another skill set that I picked up was chamber leadership.
There you go.
And so I served as the interim president for the Greater Houston Black Chamber of Commerce and also as the chair. So what I bring to TAC not only is the legal perspective, thoughts about regulations, especially when it comes to MBE certification and so forth, but also good business practices when it comes to chamber leadership. You know, just making sure that structurally the chambers are sound and can take advantage of every opportunity that's available to our chambers to make them stronger so that they can better serve our businesses.
Got you. Good deal. Good deal. Well, thank you from my perspective as chairman of this organization. We appreciate that expertise, and you're utilizing this not only for, like we said earlier, the community, but for our organization. My last question to you: give us your thoughts on today's conference and the importance of some of the workshops that you experienced.
Well, first of all, congratulations on a phenomenal conference, Mr. Chairman.
Well, thanks.
This was
Appreciate it.
this was amazing content. I think it was timely content. You know, hearing from the SBA, Mr. Ted James, about how the recent affirmative action rulings that came down from the Supreme Court is affecting DE&I practices within the SBA was really important for our businesses to know going forward, so they can arm themselves with the new way of applying for loans and affiliating with the SBA so that they can grow and expand their businesses. And having someone who has boots on the ground from the SBA, I think is really, really important. And because of the power of TAC, we were able to do that
Right.
and bring them to our membership and the individual business owners as well. So that particular seminar was phenomenal. Also, the information that we learned about the state of black businesses in Texas, that information was phenomenal. I mean,
Bill
we talked
Cunningham
to
was an amazing
an
economist.
amazing economist. He spoke so eloquently about population shifts and the effect of the new DE&I legislation that came down that will affect the black population. And, you know, those are our consumers. So it impacts us economically as well. So the content was so rich today. I'm just really grateful that I'm part of this organization and I was able to attend.
Well, we're grateful for you to be in this organization. We are grateful for your contributions. And Vice Chair, it's an honor to work with you in
Thank
TAC.
you. Thank you. It's an honor to work with you
Ah,
as well,
no
sir.
problem. Thanks, Carol. You have a
Thank
good
you.
one.
Thank you.
All
You
right.
too.